So recently we just added some features to the Venus part of the Orchive project, so we thought it would be nice to be able to specify the start and end time. So you can just specify start and end time in the URL, so it's nice and restful, and then it sends that data then to the flash component inside, which then loads the data and displays the range from 10,000 to 30,000 milliseconds as shown in this diagram, and it shows the audio link. So this is the debug version, of course. And then we can also show the predictions, so we click on that, and what that's doing is it's running a Django web server. So most of this is written in Ruby on Rails. The original site was all Ruby on Rails, so like this is all Ruby on Rails. But the new stuff is all written in Django. So like in DDEV calls, Orchive, filter, and the views.py is just running this program on this sound-to-sound program in the bandpass mode. And this is all Django, so that's displaying on here, and probably on this emulator this is not going to work. Oh yes, it's actually worked. So you can see that it has the amount of green is the RMS, and it has very kind of consistent RMS. So let's just reload this to make it a little faster. And then I'll show you the other two things we've added is the filter audio. So you can click on filter audio, and then you specify a type of filter, bandpass, high pass, or low pass. So we could do a bandpass filter, and do this at like 1000 hertz, and do it with a gain of 0.9, and go for like 60 seconds instead. Let's actually go for less, so let's go for 10 seconds, and then we just go download audio, and it's now downloaded this new file here, file 1.wav. There's my test one anyways, and I was trying to play it, but of course it's Linux inside an emulator, so you're not going to hear that. So then we can go back here, and I'll show you the other feature, which is you can download a spectrogram as well. So if we click on download spectrogram, then we're given a similar kind of window. We can change the window size and the hop size. So that's a pretty big window. So let's try this. So we'll pick 96, and 8,000 is pretty good, and 30 seconds is pretty good as well. But let's leave it at 30, and then we can just click on download spectrogram, and it'll download a PNG image, which we can then click on and then view. So you can see it was a pretty noisy region here. It was pretty solidly noisy. So we'd probably have to change down the gain or something. So thank you very much, and that's just some of the new features we've added on for the Venus section of the Orchive project.